This is page number 11, children. You have to make cursive writing U like this. Starting from this pink dot, go up, come down, again go up and turn like this. U umbrella. Now I am telling you how to write without dots. Starting from this pink dot, go down, again go up, touch the line and make like this. This is capital U. Now capital V. Capital V will start from this red dot, come down with a straight line, okay, and then make a slant curve type like this. This is capital V, different from U. Here you have to leave it here only, okay, on the top. See, without dots. Starting from this red dot, come down with a straight line. Now make a curve sort of thing and a small loop here. Again, this is capital V. Now I am making curve and like this. This is capital V, V vulture. Now coming to W. Starting from this red dot, children, you have to go up, come down, make a U shape, again come down, make again a U shape, leave it here, okay. Starting from this red dot, make U, come down, again make U and a small loop here. You have to leave this here only. Now starting from this red dot, see, U type of curve, come down, again make U, leave it here. W wall, come down like this. W wall. Now this is capital X. X xylophone. Starting from this red dot, make a opposite type of C curve and again make a C like this. Make a curve like this, go up, again go like a C. You have to touch the second blue line here, but here you don't have to touch. Starting from this red dot, make a reverse C type of curve. Now proper C type of curve and leave it here. X. Okay, you can touch it here. Now let's revise the vocabulary of both the pages. Q, quiver. Q, quiver. R, rocket. R, rocket. S, sun. S, sun. T, tap. T, tap. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. V, vulture. V, vulture. W, wall. W, wall. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Children, complete these two pages and send it on the group. Thank you.